guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing like a skincare routine, what moisturizers, what face washes I use. So let's jump right into that. So for my eyes, like underneath for my eyes, I use the Clinique All About the Eyes. It reduces like dark circles and puffiness around your eyes, and it's also like super good to help your makeup stay in place too if you're looking for something like that. And then for moisturizer, I use Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Hour Replenisher. It kind of like recreates itself and it keeps moisturizing your face throughout the day, and it locks in all the moisture for a healthy looking like glowy face. And for my face wash, I use the Clinique 7-Day Scrub Cream. It gets rid of like flakes on your face. It moisturizes super well. It gets rid of all the dead skin because it has like these crystal things kind of in it, which makes it scrub harder in a way. And it also minimizes fine lines too. So if you're looking for a good face wash, this one's awesome. Another good moisturizer, which is super cheap, you can get at Target, Walmart. I use the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. A rich hydrating cream. It's super moisturizing. You only need a little bit and it goes a long way. It's super suitable for people with sensitive skin too, and it does not clog your pores. So this is a good cheap one too as well. And to keep my face like super clear, I use the brand MD. It's called Tretinoin. I work at a dermatologist's office and we sell these. I'm not sure if you can get these like without a prescription. So if you have a dermatologist and you have acne or anything like that, definitely ask if they can prescribe you to Tretinoin. There's 3 strengths. There's 0.025, 0.5, and 0.1. And 0.1 is the highest strength. And this one just treats like fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and it also treats acne super well too. So definitely give this a try. And if you do get this, you only want to apply like a pea-sized amount to your face with a moisturizer because it does kind of dry your face out at first until your face gets used to it. And then for like a night moisturizer, I use the same thing, like the brand MD brand. It's called Night Cream Enhancer. This just enhances the production of your collagen, which makes your face, if you have like uneven skin colors on your face, it kind of evens it all out. And it also helps with the fine lines and wrinkles as well too. And like I said, I got this at my work, so you might, if you have a dermatologist, you might need to have a prescription for this. But some alternatives for these two that you can get over the counter, especially for the Tretinoin, it's called Differin is one that's over the counter. There's Retin-A that's over the counter. And then this one itself is called Brand MD RA Cream, which is Retin-A. So definitely give these a try. And to wash my face, I use the Conair like brush that has 3 different speeds. It comes with a few different heads. I have one for when I don't have makeup on and a head for when I do have makeup on. So what this does, it shakes whenever. So if you turn it on, you can hear it. It like shakes, so it gets your face more clean, and especially it makes it super soft if you are using the 7-day cleanse stuff because it has the crystals, so it's like getting all the dead skin and everything like that off. And then for my makeup remover, I use the Clinique Take the Day Off. It's kind of like a gel makeup remover, and it works awesome. You don't need much, and you just wipe it to the areas you want it to come off, and it comes off pretty awesome. I'll link all these down below, how much they cost and where I got them from. Obviously, a lot of them are Clinique, so I will link all of that below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification bell on, that way when I post, you get my future content too. I hope you guys have an awesome day.